Hitachi has formed a new group called Hitachi Insight Group. Its mission is to develop IoT solutions, working with a number of different Hitachi companies as well as partners. My role is to lead a team of marketing folks to develop the marketing for and communicating to customers in the field and press and analysts, our role as a IoT leader in the marketplace. The vision for Internet of Things is the key part that drives our mission. The Internet of Things is going to connect everything that can be connected. But it's just connecting that is not good enough. If you take back, look at Hitachi. Hitachi has been in many social businesses that look at healthcare. We produce the healthcare equipment that saves people's lives. We build transportation systems that make it safe and comfortable to travel. We build energy and water systems that provide citizens with clean water and energy at a lower cost. These are the businesses that Hitachi is all, not to mention the IT business it is. With IoT, we're bringing this physical and digital world together and developing the modern solutions that'll help the lives of many people around the world and make businesses, industries, institutions more successful with better outcomes. In the IoT space, you're connecting to billions of things. And it's one thing just to connect and get the information out of it, but you need to blend a source of a lot of different data. Not only data from Internet of Things, but data from historical records, data from social media, data from other business data, and bring it all together and make most sense out of it, getting an insight out of it, analyze the data, predict what might happen, and provide customers the ability to be able to make better decisions so they deliver real outcomes. Most of the time, customers are trying to do science projects that are really hard for them to do it on their own. That's a point solution. The challenge is to develop a IoT platform and a solution that can span across multiple needs of either a business, the government, or the institution that needs to solve modern challenges that approach us. What Hitachi is doing is, instead of taking it into a closed proprietary point solution or platforms, we're developing a framework that will build a set of capabilities that can be applied to a wide range of applications. Whether you're in transportation or energy or healthcare or cities or you name it, this platform can be tailored for different areas. But we're not going to just sell the platform. We're going to be working with partners and many Hitachi companies to develop complete end-to-end solutions to solve real-world challenges. And that's our approach. We formed a group, Hitachi Insight Group, that will bring in all the strengths of Hitachi, both in the operational technology and IT technology, and enable customers to solve real-world problems with our partners. And that's what we're doing to advance IoT. Oh boy, there are a number of exciting products we're doing right now. If you take, for example, public safety, we've already had solutions that are connecting to all the video cameras and social media or license plate readers and gunshot detectors, bringing all that data together and offering it to law enforcement a way to get situational awareness. We're taking that to the next step. We're able to predict what crimes might happen, what issues might happen based on historical data and real-time data. And this allows people and, let's say, law enforcement to be able to deploy the resources in the right place. If you know the probability of a crime on a Friday evening or a Saturday morning in a certain location of a type of crime, then you can deploy the resource to avoid that crime. So preventing problems is the kind of things that we're trying to do as an example. Over the next 5 years, there are going to be many things that are going to change. Our worlds are going to be next very different. You know about the connected car. There'll be more and more autonomous cars. You push a button, that car is going to show up, which means you need a lot of IoT-capable technology to have a safe ride without a driver in there. And you will not need parking lots anymore because the cars are going to arrive and leave when you need it. And we can save on a lot of infrastructure costs. So we're innovating in ways to connecting automobiles, connecting energy systems, connecting healthcare systems, connecting a lot of other things and making sense out of all that so we can improve on it. We're also applying things like artificial intelligence and cognitive computing so that the machines can think for themselves and solve problems that doesn't need mundane, processes that are done by humans. At the IoT World Conference in 2016, we're showcasing a number of capabilities. We're not showing just products. We're showing real-world solutions. You will see in there IoT solutions for optimized oil and gas factory to avoid spills, to reduce waste, to increase the productivity of an oil field. You look at fleet management. If you have a fleet of automobiles, how do you maintain the cars effectively, or how do you track how the drivers are driving? These kinds of capabilities we're showing. We're also showing smart city solutions like city data exchange, where public and private data can be brought together and made available to citizens, to universities, to researchers, or even to businesses that want to understand what's going on in a city so to make the right investments. And then we're showing that public safety one that I talked about. We're showing how in Washington, D.C., we're offering connectivity across all IoT devices to have better public safety in many cities across the world.